Hello ladies and gentlemen, so this is just a short and quick video to show you how to visualize the 2021 all new Mahindra Roxor. So you start first by going on YouTube, select your speed to be 0.25, and then for your image quality, this is best viewed in 1080p high definition. The see you on the other side strip away clip is 17 seconds long, and the new Roxor can be visualized at the 14-second mark. It appears twice. The first time is like a close-up, then the second time is a longer shot. It doesn't give much detail than what we've seen already, but it's quite interesting to be able to visualize the new Roxor before it's released. This was kind of an interesting Easter egg. Find it interesting that they put little details in stuff like this, but we get a better idea of what the Roxor would look like, and they seem to be communicating that the bone structure, infrastructure is gonna be the same. Boxed steel frame, diesel engine, and all the good stuff that we love about the Roxor. And right about the 14-second mark, you should hit the pause button. It's kind of hit and miss. So that's what I was able to capture the first time. Second time, I think I had a little bit more luck and I could actually see a little bit more detail, but it's right at about the 14-second mark on the video. So let's see, I think I have a better shot. We'll try one more time. And just for the heads up, the current sales on Roxors ends on the 11th of August 2020. If you are on the fence thinking about getting a side-by-side, the Roxor I think is a very worthy contender, and this is the best shot I could get. As you could see, it's two images kind of superimposed one on the other because the video was transitioning to the other shot, but this gives us a pretty good idea. On the right you can see the red shock. It's just that the grille seems wider, and then the hood of the Roxor tapers as it goes backwards, so that might not be the case here. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you go check out the video. I will put out a link below. Of course, this material does not belong to me, belongs to Mahindra Automotive North America. Just wanted to share with you how you could go about seeing the 2021 Roxor. Thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next one.